Loosen these 3 screws and remove them. Remove the front bearing cover. We use high-temperature grease. Add grease to the inside of the bearing. Use a tool to apply the grease evenly. Cover the entire bearing. Then align the bearing with the hole and install it back in place. Put the screw back and tighten it. Lubrication complete. To lubricate the rear bearings, a grease gun for gears is required. Get the grease gun ready. Open the back cover of the roaster and find the motor of the drum. Find where the gear is oiled. Insert the grease gun into this position. Just oiling. Grease will enter the gear through this inlet. Lubrication complete.